The atmosphere was electric. I felt a chill run down my spine the moment we stepped onto the property. We heard whispers, saw shadowy figures, and even felt a cold touch on our skin. It was an experience I'll never forget. The Bell Witch Farm continues to be a source of intrigue and terror to this day. The countless stories and experiences shared by those who've dared to visit the farm serve as a chilling reminder that some things in this world simply can't be explained. This is a local's recount. Living near the Bell Witch Farm, you hear a lot of stories. Some people are skeptical, but many of us believe that the Bell Witch is real. There's just too many strange things happening around here to dismiss it as mere folklore. So, there you have it. The Bell Witch Farm is a place shrouded in mystery and fear, a place where the line between the living and the dead seems to blur. It's a place that begs the question, do we really know what lies beyond the veil of death? Whether you're a believer in the supernatural or a skeptic, the story of the Bell Witch Farm is sure to leave you with a sense of unease. It's a tale that forces us to confront our deepest fears and question our understanding of the world. But regardless of where you stand, one thing is for certain. The Bell Witch Farm is a place where the normal rules of reality don't seem to apply. Over the years, there have been numerous sightings of the Bell Witch. People describe her as an ominous shadow, an eerie presence that sends shivers down your spine, a voice that echoes in the stillness of the night. The fear that seizes those who have encountered her is palpable, a terror that lingers long after her presence has dissipated. What's intriguing is the consistency in the descriptions of the Bell Witch across different sightings. These accounts, despite the passage of time and the different people involved, always paint the same chilling picture. These sightings add to the mystery and fear surrounding the Bell Witch Farm, making it a place that continues to captivate and terrify us. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and remember, not everything that haunts us is of this world. Her chilling legend has transcended the boundaries of the local community, and the Bell Witch has found a haunting presence in popular culture. She has been the eerie inspiration behind numerous movies, books, and TV shows. The oral tradition of her terrifying tales has been repackaged and retold, amplifying the fear and intrigue surrounding her. The horror genre in particular has been heavily influenced by her sinister legend, adding a layer of authenticity to the terror it seeks to evoke. The fascination with the Bell Witch in popular culture is a testament to the power of her haunting legacy. She continues to haunt us, not just in reality, but also through the stories we tell and the imaginations we dwell in. The Bell Witch, it seems, is far from done with us. One of the most chilling aspects of the Bell Witch legend is the Bell Witch Cave. This ominous cavern, steeped in history and lore, is believed to be the dwelling place of the malevolent entity. The cave, located near the old Bell property, has been the site of numerous inexplicable phenomena. Visitors have reported hearing strange sounds, feeling sudden cold spots, and even witnessing apparitions. It is as if the cave itself is alive, pulsating with a menacing energy that belies the quiet, serene landscape surrounding it. Many believe that the cave holds the restless spirit of the Bell Witch, her presence forever imprinted on the dark, damp walls. The Bell Witch Cave is a place of terror and fascination, a place that continues to draw those who dare to confront the unknown. Today, the Bell Witch continues to be a source of fear and fascination. The eerie legend has transcended centuries, captivating the imaginations of paranormal enthusiasts and skeptics alike. There are those who claim to have had encounters with the Bell Witch, experiences that are as chilling and inexplicable as those of the Bell family over 200 years ago. In the local community, the Bell Witch is more than just a ghost story. It is a part of their history, their culture, and their identity. Some residents even attribute unexplainable events to the spectral mischief of the Bell Witch. Despite the passage of time, the Bell Witch remains a haunting presence, a reminder of the mysteries that lie beyond our understanding. As we wrap up our haunting journey into the world of the Bell Witch, we find ourselves standing on the precipice of the unknown, with more questions than answers. The enduring mystery of the Bell Witch continues to hang in the air, as thick and impenetrable as a spectral fog. The challenge of understanding the supernatural, of trying to make sense of what lies beyond our comprehension, continues to intrigue, mystify, and terrify us. The Bell Witch story is more than just a chilling tale of a malevolent spirit. It is a reflection of our collective fascination with the enigmatic, the unexplained, and the unseen. It forces us to confront our deepest fears and question our understanding of reality. It serves as a stark reminder that there are forces in this world, and possibly beyond, that we do not fully understand. As we leave the shadowy realms of the Bell Witch behind, we carry with us a sense of unease, a chilling reminder of the unknown that lurks in the corners of our world waiting to be discovered. The Bell Witch story remains with us, a haunting echo of the mysteries that lie beyond our understanding.